Hello Android enthusiasts, welcome to this exciting journey of Android app development. Today I am thrilled to introduce to a free comprehensive Android app development course that covers everything you need to know to build amazing Android applications. In this course, we will dive into Android app development and I promise you it's going to be an amazing experience. Whether you are a beginner looking to start your Android journey or an experienced developer wanting to level up your skill, this course is for you. Throughout this course, you will not only understand the theory but also see me code in real time. You will follow along step by step, and by the end, you will have a fully functional Android app that you can proudly showcase in your portfolio. Plus, we will keep things fun and engaging, and I will break down complex concepts into simple, easy to understand explanations. Now let's talk about the exciting tools and libraries we will be diving into during this course. These are the building blocks that will empower you to create amazing Android apps. Here is what you can expect. We are going to unleash the full potential of Android app design with Jetpack Compose. Say goodbye to XML layouts and embrace the power of a modern declarative UI toolkit. We will also be leveraging Material Design 3, the latest evolution of Google's design language, to make our app look and feel stunning. You will also learn how to create a seamless and efficient navigation flow within your app using Compose Destination, a fantastic third-party library. No more fragment transactions and complex backstack management. It's like having navigation on easy mode. For data persistence, we will utilize Room, Android's native database library. We will also work with multiple entities, allowing us to manage complex data structures with ease. Say hello to efficient data storage and retrieval. To keep our code testable and maintainable, we will employ 𝗥𝗲𝘆𝗶𝗀𝗀 for dependency injection. It's like having a magic wand for your app's architecture, making it scalable and robust. Ever wondered how to build an app that can run tasks in the background? We will use Android services to create a steady session timer, demonstrating the power of long-running background tasks. Now let's take a moment to outline what's in the pipeline for this course. There will be a total of 17 videos in this course, including this introductory video. You can easily access the entire course by visiting the playlist link in the video description below. It's a convenient way to navigate throughout the content. In addition to that, we have set up a GitHub repository where you can find all the code and resources used in this course. The link to the repository is also available in the video description. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the like button and join us on this incredible Android app development adventure. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding.